Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called upon every citizen of the country and sent out an open invitation to visit the newly constructed Kartavya Path and the statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. President Draupadi Murmu has said that the Jan Bhagidari is the key to eliminate tuberculosis from the country. The President was speaking after virtual launching the Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan to reinvigorate the missions of TB elimination from the country by 2025. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal has reaffirmed India's commitment to a free, open and inclusive Indo-Pacific. The minister today attended the first in-person ministerial meeting of the India-Pacific Economic Forum in Los Angeles. The National Testing Agency is expected to announce the Common University Entrance Test and the graduate results by 15th of this month, or if possible even a couple of days earlier. The centre has banned the export of broken rice with an aim to increase domestic availability. The Directorate General of Foreign Trade in a notification said export policy of broken rice is revised from free to prohibit.